Welcome, students, to Virtual Teaching Tutor. We're excited to have you here today. In this lesson, we will delve into the important concept of the order of operations, commonly known as PEMDAS. Understanding this foundational principle will help you solve mathematical expressions correctly and confidently. Let's get started on this journey to mastering PEMDAS together. PEMDAS represents the sequence of operations in mathematics, encompassing parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. The order of operations is a set of rules that dictates the sequence in which mathematical operations should be performed to ensure consistent and accurate results. It establishes the hierarchy of operations, typically represented by the acronym PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Empower your math skills by discovering the benefits of the order of operations. This concept is closely linked to pre-algebra as it lays the groundwork for more complex mathematical reasoning. The order matters. Exploring the benefits of the order of operations by understanding the order of operations is essential for solving equations and expressions accurately, which are fundamental skills in pre-algebra. Unlocking success. The benefits of mastering the order of operations. Mastering this concept helps students build a strong foundation for algebra and beyond, enabling them to tackle increasingly challenging mathematical problems with confidence. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify the operations. Let's look at problem 3 plus 6 times 5 plus 4 divided by 3 minus 7. In step 1, we start by identifying the operations involved in the expression: addition, multiplication, parentheses, division, and subtraction. Step 2. Solve inside parentheses. According to PEMDAS, we first deal with the parentheses. Calculate 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now substitute this back into the expression. 3 plus 6 times 9 divided by 3 minus 7. Step 3. Handle multiplication and division from left to right. Next, we perform multiplication and division from left to right. First, calculate 6 times 9. 6 times 9 equals 54. Now, substitute back into the expression 3 plus 54 divided by 3 minus 7. Next, calculate 54 divided by 3. 54 divided by 3 equals 18. Now substitute back again 3 plus 18 minus 7. Step 4. Perform addition and subtraction from left to right. Now we perform addition and subtraction from left to right. First, calculate 3 plus 18. 3 plus 18 equals 21. Now we have 21 minus 7. Finally, calculate 21 minus 7. 21 minus 7 equals 14. The final answer to the expression 3 plus 6 times 5 plus 4 divided by 3 minus 7 is 14. In summary, number 1, solve expressions within parentheses first. Number 2, then handle multiplication and division from left to right. Number 3, finally, perform addition and subtraction from left to right. This systematic approach helps ensure that you arrive at the correct answer. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriversstar@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.